We'll guide you through how to recover deleted files from Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, look on the left-hand side and click on the Deleted Files option. This will show you a list of files that have been deleted recently. Dropbox keeps these files for up to 30 days, so make sure you act within this time frame to ensure recovery. Next, find the file you want to recover. You can use the search bar at the top to help locate it if the list is long. Once you've found your file, hover over it and you'll see a checkbox appear next to it. Click the checkbox to select the file. If you want to recover multiple files, you can select them all at once by checking each relevant box. Once your files are selected, look at the top of the list for a blue Restore button. Click this button to recover your files. Dropbox will then automatically restore them to their original location in your Dropbox account. If you have a business account or a professional plan, you may have the ability to recover files up to 180 days old, so check your plan for those details. Remember, if you're unable to find your files, they might be permanently deleted if it's past the recovery period. Also, consider enabling Dropbox's Rewind feature if you often need to recover files, as it allows you to roll back your entire account to a previous state. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.